Addition of 3-digit number without regrouping. A fruit seller sold 523 mangoes on Saturday and 456 on Sunday. How many mangoes did he sell on both the days? To know the number of mangoes sold on both days, we need to add the given numbers, that is 523 and 456. Let us add 523 and 456 by following the steps. Step 1. First, arrange the numbers in their respective columns. Add the ones, 3 ones plus 6 ones. 3 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 9 ones. Keep 9 under the ones column. Step 2. Add the tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 7 tens. Keep 7 under the tens column. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 5 hundreds plus 4 hundreds. 5 hundreds plus 4 hundreds is equal to 9 hundreds. Keep 9 in the hundreds column. Thus, 523 plus 456 is equal to 979. Therefore, the fruit seller sold 979 mangoes on both the days. Let us see another example. 232 plus 345. Step 1. Add the ones. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Step 2. Add the tens. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Step 3. Add the 100. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 232 plus 345 is equal to 577. Here, 232 and 345 are addends. 577 is the sum or total. Let us recall. Always start adding the numbers from ones place. The result of addition is called sum or total. The numbers which we add are called addends. The sum is always greater than the addends.